How to use Twitter. In this video, guys, I will show you all you need to know about Twitter. So, or let's say X, that's a new name. So go ahead and open your Twitter or X. When you open the Twitter account, I want you to, this is your home page, guys. This is the For You section. Here's the drill, guys. When you are signing up, you're going to be we are going to be entering interest, things you are interested about. So Twitter algorithm will pick up that, and then they will suggest tweets for you that are really based on your interest. So this is the For You section. This is the following section. So these are people I follow. So these are tweets from people I follow. And then this is the For You section. So you can go ahead and see that. So for example, you like a tweet, this is where you like, click the heart to like. If you want to comment, you can go ahead and comment what you want to comment. Click on post to post. If you want to check the comments of people for this tweet, you can go ahead and click on the tweet. Scroll down to see the comments. So here you can also engage on the comments. You can like a comment, you can share a comment, you can retweet a comment. So let me show you how you can do a retweet. Just click on this retweet icon showing below the tweet. So if you click on the retweet icon, you can repost it just like that, or you can undo. You can repost it with a quote. So you can write something, maybe you're feeling, maybe your own personal view on the tweet. You can go ahead and write it there too as well. You can make this public, or you can create a cycle where if you want a specific cycle to see it, you can create a cycle where a specific people around your followers can see it. So that's it for this, and that's it for you section. So let's go to the search section. Now the search section is the most interesting part of Twitter. So if you click on the search section, as you can see, you're going to be seeing a arrangement of trends for me. So as you can see, based on the location I inputted and based on my interest, this is what is trending. So I can go ahead and just click on what's in trending and play around to see what's really happening around. That's the trend for me. So if you don't want to if you're not really interested in the trend, if you can scroll down, you can see videos from me as well. You can watch videos that I have recommended to you based on your own interest. So the algorithm will try to understand what you're really interested in, and then it will recommend it to you. So if you're not really interested in the trend for you, you can go ahead and search what you want to search. For example, I want to search YouTube. So I can go ahead and search YouTube. As you can see, this is the YouTube account. So I can go ahead and follow, like, retweet, and do whatever I want to do on YouTube channel. This is the YouTube page or Twitter account, as you can see, guys. So that's it for the search section. You can go ahead and filter your trend. So you can put your location. You can see I want to explore locations like United States, so I went ahead to put that. So you can change the country and put any country of your choice, as you can see, guys. So you can actually turn this off. I can just turn this off and then turn this on. So this will show me content in my own current location. So wherever I am, I'll be seeing content on that. You can also personalize your trend so that you see trend based on your own personal based on your own location and who follows you and who you follow. So Twitter will try to understand you guys' interest, and then they will recommend it to you. So that's it for the search section or the trend section. Most people call it trend section. Now let's go to the community section. Now this is like a new thing on Twitter, where it's just like a community. You can go ahead and create a community where you guys come together to share posts together. And then there's the I will show you guys. This is the notification section. So the notification section, you see all your notifications, your recommendation, your login information, or anything that happens, any activity that should happen in your Twitter will be displayed here. So you can see that there's a verified section. That's the people you are really interested in. That's the people you are following. And then the people that really mentioned you or anything, you see it here. So that's it for the notification section. Now this is where you send a DM on Twitter. This is the DM section. This is where you see your DM. This is where you also reply DMs. As you can see, guys, these are people I follow and they follow me back. So this is where I can go ahead and open a message, send a message. I can actually share stuff here too as well. I didn't really give it any permissions, so that's why it's showing me that. But if you really give your Twitter permissions, you're going to share anything you want to share. You can also check GIFs. You can also share gifts, guys. Start on interest and share it here, guys. So that's it for the messaging section. If the person you want to message is not really here and you really want to message the person, you can go ahead and search for the person here. That's if the person is following. If the person is not following, you can navigate back to the search section and then search for the person to send him message. Now these are message requests. I know most of you are wondering what this is. So these are people that want to send message but I don't follow them. So that's how. So I can go ahead and accept, delete, or block a report. So I don't want to accept this, so I'm deleting it. So that's it for the messaging section, guys. Your message request, send message, receive message, search for someone you want to message. That's it for the message section. So now let's navigate back to where you can post a tweet. So if you click the plus icon showing below your Twitter app screen, just click on that plus icon. This is where you can tweet, upload what you want to upload. You can put a picture, a video, a GIF as well. You can do a voice note. I think, yeah, you can do a voice note, and then you can put your location. You can do a list. This is like a list or voting. You can add more things. You can add another post. Like you can put two or more posts. So you can go ahead and add more posts. So this tweet will go. Now this purple mic thing you're seeing like right beside my keyboard, this is what we call Twitter Space. And this varies, guys. You might be seeing your Twitter. You might be seeing the space on the community section. That's if you're in a specific location. But for my location, I'm not seeing it because I'm in a location where it's not really active. But if you're in a location where it's active, you're going to see it on your home section. You see the space section. So go ahead and allow my access, and then I can create a community where we can come together and speak verbally here. So that's it about Twitter Space. I'll make a separate video about this because this is a whole new thing. So that's it on how to post. As you can see, this is where I see this is my home page. As I said, this is where you see your home, your these are tweets for you actually. So if you want to refresh your page, you can go ahead and just click on the X on top. So if you click on the X on top, it's going to show you your latest post. So this is your profile section, guys. Click on the picture showing. If you're not having any picture, you can go ahead and click on the icon showing on the left side of your screen above. So click on that. When you click on that, this is your profile section. So you can go ahead and subscribe for the premium. You can go ahead and bookmark whatever you want to bookmark. You can go ahead and create a list. And now this is the Twitter Space, guys, I was telling you about earlier. So you can see it there, you can see it below, and you can see it on the profile section. So if I click on Space, check out Space out. As you can see, guys, I don't really have network here, so that's why it's showing me something went wrong. But if I really have network and I have access, it's going to show you discussion that is currently happening. That's verbal discussions. So you can go ahead and check that out. So let's go out of that. On your profile section here, you can go ahead and click on my profile. This is where you can edit your profile. You can edit stuff. You can really edit stuff on your profile. You can change your date of birth and all. You can also check what your post. Here you can see your post. This is your profile picture, your username, about you. You can change everything about yourself here. The information you put on Twitter. These are my posts. These are your replies. These are your highlights. These are the media you posted on Twitter, as you can see. And then these are your likes. These are things you like recent. So as you can see, you like this earlier, so it's appearing here. So that's it about Twitter. I think that's all you need to know. Your profile section. You know your profile section, you know your home feed, you know the trend section or the search section, you know the community section, you know your notification section, you know your messaging section, and also know Twitter Space for those that's showing below. So it might show you here where it's showing the community thing. You You can see it there, but mine is showing here because my network is not really good, and I don't think I'm in the right location to actually have access to Twitter Space. So another thing is your setting and support. You can go ahead and go through that, your help center, and your purchases on Twitter. So every day new things are added to this app. So this is all you need to know about Twitter if you really getting started with Twitter. So these are all the basic information. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section and I'll give an answer to that, or recommend you to a video on how